Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare spaghetti. You can call it spaghetti jollof. This spaghetti tastes so delicious. I hope that you stay tuned and find out how I make this. Using chicken breast for this recipe, so I will use salt and thyme to season it. You can add stock cube. Seasoning the chicken breast, I will set aside. Heat a pan. I'll be adding some oil. Then I'll add the seasoned chicken breast and start stir frying. Stirring the chicken so that it will fry properly. When I notice that the chicken have fried properly, I'll be adding my sliced mixed bell peppers, spring onion. Then I will continue stir frying for about a minute. Because I don't want to overcook the mixed bell peppers, I will set aside after a minute. Cooking my spaghetti, so I've added the boiling water into the pot, add some salt, little oil, then I'll cut my spaghetti into half, cover the pot and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. Spaghetti is cooking. I'll be making the tomato sauce. I'll add some oil into the pan. Add my homemade ginger and garlic paste, sliced onions, sliced scotch bonnet, then stir to fry. I will add curry powder, stock cube. I'll stir everything together and allow to fry for a minute. I'll be using thin chopped tomatoes. Add the chopped tomatoes, stir everything together and allow to fry. You can also use fresh tomatoes for this. While the tomato sauce is frying, I'll be sieving the pasta. Then I'll rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process and set aside. I'll be checking on the tomato sauce. It is almost ready. Then I'll be transferring it into a pot. Add some water and allow it to simmer. Minutes, the tomato sauce is boiling. I'll be checking for salt. Then I'll add some salt and stock cube. Stir everything together. Then I'll be adding the parboiled spaghetti. Stir to combine and allow to cook. Spaghetti have cooked for some time and I've noticed that the water have reduced. I'll be adding my stir fry chicken and mixed bell peppers. I'll also be adding smoked bacon. This gives it a special smoky taste. It is optional, but it makes this spaghetti to taste really nice. Add the pot and allow it to cook. Finally, the delicious and tasty spaghetti is ready. It tastes so delicious. Try this and give me feedback. Thank you all for watching.